In the last video, we spoke of the concept of non-dualism. We spoke of how we can use the definition of an integrated set and that of a reference frame. We discussed how we use dualistic reference frames as our way of discretizing the universe. If you haven't watched the previous video, consider checking it out. I have linked it in the description. In this video, we will discuss a very special type of dualistic reference frame, the past-future pair. Now, we know that the future and the past can be observed through change in the universe. While the future brings us with a set of possibilities, any of which could occur, once these possibilities have collapsed and we have the absolute memory of the occurrence of an event, that is the past, or at least our interpretation of it. So, by definition of dualism, the past future pair divides the universe into two parts displaying different properties. The positive universe, which is what's yet to come, that is the future, and the negative universe, which is what has already occurred, that is the past. Now, this implies that there is a neutral point, a boundary or an origin from whence we are measuring where the future starts and the past ends. This point is called the present. We know that we as observers exist at a physical level. What's interesting about present is that it is the only observable section of the universe by the senses and hence is also at the physical level. But this means that both the future and the past are not. Now, since we define reference frames as a mental construct and since past-future is a dualistic reference frame, therefore past-future is a mental construct as well, and hence existing at a non-physical level. Now, since past and future are used to define events occurring through time, from here we can claim that time does not occur at the physical level either. We can say that time is in the same space as past and future. So we can say that time is also a mental construct. In other words, time is not real as we define it. That is, it doesn't exist per se on a physical level. Now, this does not mean that your doctor won't be waiting for you at 10 o'clock tomorrow. However, we must note that what time allows us to observe are causal events. It is clearly notable that the concept of causality, which is that cause implies effect, can also be investigated as it is time that decides the direction that effect comes from cause. And claiming the conceptual or non-physical existence of time, we can also claim the non-physical existence of causality, because after all, cause and effect is also a dualistic reference frame. Again, this does not mean that if you throw an apple from a height, it won't fall down, because the concept of gravity has been used to explain this fact. It, however, does mean that causality may not be the only way the universe operates. And to consider its alternative, we have acausality, which is a topic that we might discuss in the future videos. However, future is not real, so who knows? Too much? Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And also check out my blog, Simplifying Ideas Differently, for which the link is given below.